Taking a look at page 14 and 16 on page 157. Emily's meal costs that much. Darren's meal costs that. Emily treats Darren by paying for both, and she leaves a 14% tip. So we need to do 32.75 plus 39.88. And when you add those, you get 3, 6, 2, 7, 72.63. So now 72.63 represents the whole bill. Now, what are we doing to that? Well, we're leaving a 14% tip, so we have to add 14%. So our new percentage is 114%. So we are looking for 114% of the cost, which was 72.63. So we need to change this to a decimal by moving the decimal over twice. So it is 1.14 times 72.63. When you do that, you get 82.7982. Now we're dealing with money, so we have to round this 9. That 8 makes the 9 go up, which in turn makes the 9 a 0, so that becomes 8. So the answer is $82.80. On to number 16. A jeweler buys a ring from a maker at $125. He marks up the price 135% for sale in the store. What is the selling price of the ring with 7.5% sales tax? All right. So he buys it for $125. That represents the entire ring, 100%. He marks it up by 135%. So our new percentage is 235%, and we're looking for 235% of 125. So we will rewrite that as 2.35 times 125. And we get 293.75. That's how much he puts it in his store, but when you buy it, you pay 293.75, which is 100%, but there's tax, so you need to increase that by 7.5%. So our new percentage is 107.5%, and we're looking for 107.5% of 293.75. So we need to change this to a decimal, move it twice to the left, so 1.075 times 293.75. 1.075 times 293.75, and you get 315.781. We're dealing with money, so we need to round this 8. That 1 makes the 8 stay the same, so the answer is $315.78.